Hey, good morning everybody. I just saw this guy up in Canada and he was doing these tests, swiping off water from rain off his car's windshield and just doing some posts, showing some readings. This morning it's been not raining but just been kind of drizzling out here in sunny Southern California, so I got my stuff. I got the dosimeter, I got, let me pull out of the frame here, just a paper towel. I folded a bunch of times, nothing in it. Yep. So let's go over to the car, and hold on, give me a sec here. Test this baby. Okay. So, yeah, okay, let's go check it out. Put this here for now. I can already hear some pops coming off that thing. Let's go swipe this up. Let's get some of this moisture. Some of this. Okay, now this thing's soaked. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this somewhere where you guys are gonna see. It's a little too light here. Okay. There's the thing right there. What are we gonna get?